Hello everyone, welcome to another Joe-Terrific episode of our virtual class in mathematics. This is your Joe-Terrific teacher, Teacher Joter. I hope that every one of you out there is having a good day and a Joe-Terrific moment. Again, this is Teacher Joter. Welcome and enjoy learning. Hi guys! Welcome back sa isa na namang Joe-Terrific episode ng ating virtual class sa mathematics. Today, meron na naman tayong bagong pag-uusapan. Actually, related pa rin ito sa sets. Pero, we will be solving problems involving the use of Venn diagram. Set-related problems. Pero ang strategy natin guys para ma-solve is using a Venn diagram. Okay? So before we formally start, let us have first the following objectives. So the first objective is we're going to represent a problem using a Venn diagram and solve problems using a Venn diagram. Okay, so ready na ba kayo? I hope that every one of you is ready. Handa nang matuto, so huwag na nating patagalin. Let's start this with our first example. Okay. In a class, 15 like English, 20 like Filipino, and 10 like both English and Filipino. 5 students don't like the 2 subjects. Okay, so here are the questions. Letter A, how many students are there in all? Letter B, how many like English only? Letter C, how many like Filipino only? And letter D, how many like English or Filipino? Okay. Now, to solve this problem, guys, gusto ko lang i-remind sa inyo na meron tayong mga coordinating conjunctions na dapat tandaan. And, tsaka or. Pag sinabi natin and, that represents intersection. Pag sinabi natin or, that represents union. Tandaan na, and for intersection, or for union. Okay. Para ma-solve natin ang problem na ito, all we have to do is to draw a Venn diagram. Pero himay-himay muna natin kung ano yung mga given sa problem na ito. Okay? So sinabi dyan, 15 like English and 20 like Filipino. Dalawang subjects ang pinag-uusapan dito. So ilista muna natin yung mga given para hindi tayo malito. Alright? So, malinaw na sinabi that we have the number of students that like English is equal to 15. The number of students that like Filipino is equal to 20. The number of students that like both English and Filipino is equal to 10. And, so intersection. So that will be the number of students that like English and Filipino is equal to 10. Sinabi dyan that 5 students don't like the 2 subjects. So, merong 5 na ayaw sa dalawang subjects na to. Okay? Ngayon, ang tanong, how many students are there in all? Okay, so para malaman natin yan, all we have to do is to draw a Venn diagram. Okay. So you can see, meron ako ditong Venn diagram. The rectangular shape represents the universal set. The green circle represents the English and the red one for the Filipino. Okay. Paano natin malalaman yung mga numbers na ilalagay natin sa loob ng mga sets na yon? Okay, so huwag kayong malito, huwag kayong mabahala. All we have to do is to start from the centermost palabas. So, inside out ang galawan natin dito. Paano yon? Di ba alam naman natin na ang number of students that like both English and Filipino is equal to 10? So ito yung intersection. Remember that. And for intersection. Tama? So ilalagay natin ang 10 dito sa gitna. So that will be 10. Okay. Tandaan ha, itong nasa gitna, yan yung intersection ng English and Filipino. Ngunit alam din natin na ang number of students that like Filipino is equal to 20. So tignan natin yung bilog ng Filipino. Meron na tayong nalagay na 10. Ilan na lang kulang? Correct. Para mabuo ang 20, maglalagay na lang tayo ng 10 na karagdagan para maging 20 lahat. Okay, tapos na tayo dyan. Let's proceed to the English. Sinabi dyan that 15 like English. Kung titignan natin ang bilog ng English, meron tayong 10 na naunang naisulat. Tama? So, ilan na lang kulang? Okay, very good. So, 5 na lang. Okay. So, 5 plus 10 is 15. Pero sinabi dito, meron tayong 5 estudyante na may ayaw sa dalawang subjects. So, hindi natin sila pwedeng ilagay dito sa loob ng mga bilog. Dito lang siya sa loob ng rectangular shape outside the 2 circles. So, pwedeng dito. So, 5 na may ayaw. Tama? Ngayon, ang tanong, letter A, how many students are there in all? So, that means we are going to determine the total number of students and that represents our universal set. Okay? So, para malaman natin ang sagot dyan sa letter A, all we have to do is to add all the numbers. So, that will be the number of, or the total number of students represented by the universal set U is equal to 5 plus yung 10 sa gitna plus yung 10 sa may Filipino plus itong 5 na sa labas. Alright? So we have 5 plus 10, 15 plus 10, 25 plus 5, 30. So therefore, nasagot na natin yung letter A. So there are a total of 30 students. Okay, letter B. How many like English only? English lang daw ang gusto. So, kung titignan natin ang bilog ng English, meron tayong 5 na hindi sakop ng Filipino at meron tayong 10 na sakop ng Filipino. Malinaw ang tanong eh. How many like English only? So, ibig sabihin, ito lang yung kukunin natin. Okay? So, the answer is 5. Okay. How about letter C? How many like Filipino only? Again, tulad nung sa letter B, ito lang din yung kukunin natin. So, that is equal to 10. Nasundan? Alright. Now, how many like English or Filipino? Magkaiba ito sa English and Filipino. Ito English or Filipino. Therefore, dahil ang coordinating conjunction na ginamit ay or, it means we are going to take the union of English and Filipino. So, ilan daw ang may gusto? Bilang na estudyante na may gusto sa English or Filipino. So, that will be 5 plus 10 plus 10. Ito yon, 5 plus 10 plus 10. So, ilan lahat? Very good. So, that is 25. Okay? Malinaw ba? Again kailangan pag mag-solve tayo niyan, lagi tayo mag-uumpisa sa pinakagitna. Intersection. Okay? Bago tayo lumabas ng paunti-unti. Okay? So, let's proceed to the next example para mas mapalalim pa ang ating pangunawa at pagkatuto about sa problem solving on sets. Alright. So, let's have problem number 2. A survey made to 40 grade 7 students shows that 18 like ham, 20 like bacon, and 15 like fries. 11 like bacon and fries, 6 like ham and bacon, 4 like ham and fries, and 2 like these 3 foods. Questions are, Letter A, how many like ham only? Letter B, how many like bacon only? Letter C, how many like fries only? Letter D, how many like ham and fries but not bacon? Letter E, how many like ham and bacon but not fries? Letter F, how many like bacon and fries but not ham? Letter G, how many like ham or bacon? Letter H, how many like ham or fries but not bacon? And letter G, how many did not like any of these foods? Dami. Okay, so medyo komplikado, no? Again, huwag tayong ma-overwhelmed. Isa-isahin natin, himay-himayin. Okay? So, ilista muna natin yung given bago tayo mag-sketch or mag-draw ng Venn diagram. Okay, linawin lang natin na sinabi dito that we have a total of 40 students. So, therefore, the number the total number of students is 40. That's represented by our universal set. So, N of U is 40. Now, meron tayong tatlong options na binigay. Ham, bacon, and fries. Okay? So, isa-isahin natin. The number of students that like ham is equal to 18. The number of students that like bacon is equal to 20. The number of students that like fries is equal to 15. Okay. Next, meron dito sinabi that 11 like bacon and fries. Again, the coordinating conjunction used is and. That means intersection. Correct. So, pwede natin i-represent yan as the number of the number of students that like bacon and fries. So, 11. We have the number of students that like ham and bacon. Ilan yun? 6. The number of students that like ham and fries is equal to 4. At sinabi din dyan na meron tayong dalawa na may gusto ng ham and bacon and fries. So, dalawa yan. Now, para mas malinaw at mas mapadali ang ating pagsagot sa problems A to G, we are going to sketch a Venn diagram. Alright, so we have here. Okay, di ba nga, alam naman na natin yung total number of students na sinurvey. Therefore, our universal set is equal to 40. Okay, now, to start filling in kung ano yung mga numbers na ilalagay natin dito sa loob ng circle for ham, circle for bacon, circle for fries, all we have to do is, again, to start from pinakagitna. Okay? Inside out ang movement natin. So, dito tayo mag-uumpisa sa part na to. 2 like these 3 foods. Alright, so, ito yun. Yung dalawa na yan na ilalagay natin dito sa gitna. Okay, meron daw kasing dalang estudyante na gusto itong tatlong foods na to. Okay, so that is the intersection of the 3 sets. Alright? Now, so we're done with that. Let's proceed to the next one. The number of students that like ham and fries is 4. Ito yon. So, saan natin makikita yon? Number of students that like ham and fries. So, dito yun. Sa part na to. Ito yung intersection ng ham and fries. Okay. So, this is the intersection of ham and fries. Yan yun, di ba? Eh, sinabi dyan 4. Pero may dalawa na tayong naunang nailagay. So, ilan na lang ang kulang? Correct. So, kailangan na lang natin ng dalawa. So, 2 plus 2 is 4. Next, the number of students that like ham and bacon, dito natin yan makikita. Ito yung intersection ng estudyanteng may gusto sa parehong ham and bacon. Ang sabi dyan, 6 daw. Tama? 6 yan. May 2 na tayo sa gitna. So, all we have to do is to write only 4. Tama ba? 4 na lang. Okay, kasi 4 plus 2 is 6. Okay, correct. Next, saan naman natin ilalagay itong number of students that like both bacon and fries? Okay, correct. So, dito natin ilalagay ang number of students that like both bacon and fries. Kasi yan yung intersection nila. Okay? Sinabi dyan, 11 daw. May 2 na tayo dito nakalagay. Ilan na lang ang kulang? Correct. So, meron tayo 9. Okay. Now, kumpleto na natin ito. Dito na tayo sa number of students that like fries. 15 daw lahat ang may gusto ng fries. So, tignan natin ang bilog ng fries. Anong mga numbers na nasa loob? Meron tayong 2 plus 2 plus 9. So, 2 plus 2 is 4 plus 9 is 13. Okay, 15 daw ang may gusto ng fries. So, ilan na lang ang kulang para mabuo natin ang 15? Okay, correct. So, we only need 2. Okay, so 2 plus 2 plus 2, 6 plus 9, 15. Nasundan? Okay, let's proceed. Number of students that like bacon, 20. Kung titignan natin ang bilog ng bacon, we have 4, we have 2, we have 9. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 9, 15. So, ilan ang kulang para maging 20? Alright, we have 5. So, tignan natin ha. 4 plus 2, 6 plus 5, 11 plus 9, 20. Nabuo? Okay, very good. Next, sinabi dito that the number of students that like ham is 18. Kung tignan natin yung bilog ng ham, we have 4, we have 2, and 2. Ilan lahat yun? 8. 18 nga daw ang kailangan natin dyan. So, ilan ang kulang? Very good. So, kailangan natin ng 10 para mabuo ang 18. So, 10 plus 4, 14 plus 2, 16 plus 2, 18. Very good. Now, tignan natin ha. Kung 40 ito lahat. Sige. 10 plus 4, 14 plus 2. We have 16 plus 2, 18 plus 5, 23 plus 9, 32 plus 2, 34, 40 lahat yan. 34 lang ang nasa loob ng bilog. So, ilan ang kulang? Okay, very good. So, merong 6 na wala dyan sa loob. So, ilagay natin dito sa may loob lang ng rectangle. Okay? So, nakumpleto na ba natin ang 40? Tama. So, masagot na natin yung problem. Letter A. How many like ham only? Ilan daw ang may gusto ng ham lang? Ham lang talaga. So, ang problem na yan, ang tanong dyan, ay yung ham lang yung gusto. So, kung titignan natin, ham only, that is equal to 10. Next, letter B. How many like bacon only? Yung bacon lang. Okay, correct. So, we have 5. How about fries only? Very good. That's 2. How many like ham and fries but not bacon? Again, ito, ang ating coordinating conjunction ay and. So, ibig sabihin, intersection ng ham at ng fries. Pero may restriction, but not bacon. Okay? Ham and fries, so ito yon, ham and fries, but not bacon. So, hindi kasama si bacon. So, ilan lang yon? Correct. So, we only have 2. Letter E. How many like ham and bacon? Again, intersection pa din, but not fries. Okay. So, ham and bacon, but not fries. That is Correct. 4. How many like bacon and fries? Bacon and fries, but not ham. Okay. Bacon ang gusto, at the same time fries, pero hindi kasama si ham. Right, so that is 9. Next, letter G. How many like ham or bacon? Or ito. Tandaan ha, pag or, that is union. So, ham or bacon. Tignan natin. Ano yung mga nasa kay ham? So, that's the number of students that like ham or bacon. So, we have 10 plus 4 plus 2 plus 2. Yan yung nasa loob ni ham. Yung bacon natin, meron na lang tayong 5 plus 9. Kasi nakuha na natin yung 4 at 2. So, ilan lahat yan? 10 plus 4, 14 plus 2, 16 plus 2, 18 plus 5, 23 plus 9. Alright, so that is 32. So this is 32 for letter G. Next, how many like ham or fries but not bacon? Ito na naman. Or na naman. Or, again, that's for the union. Okay? Yan. Now, union daw ng ham at fries pero hindi kasama ang bacon. So, i-disregard natin yung mga nandun din sa loob ng circle for bacon. So, we only have 10 plus 2 plus 2. Kasi yan lang yung union ng ham at fries na hindi kasama si bacon. So, ilan lahat yan? Correct. So, we have 14. And letter G, how many did not like any of these foods? So, ayun, malinaw naman na yun, di ba? Nakikita natin talaga dyan na ang may ayaw sa tatlong foods na yan ay 6 lang. Okay? So, that is 6. So, nasagot na ba natin lahat ng mga tanong? Mahirap ba? Hindi naman, di ba? Okay, slight lang. Kaya kailangan lang natin talaga pag-isipan kung paano natin ma-solve ang problem na yan. And of course, dapat alam natin kung paano yung strategy para mapuno natin yung mga sets na nandun sa loob ng ating Venn diagram. Again, you work from the inner part going out. So, inside out ang ating movement. Okay? So, dapat alam natin yung mga numbers na isusulat natin from the inner part of our Venn diagram palabas para masagot natin ang mga problems na ito. Okay? So with that, gusto ko magpasalamat for again being with me today, and I hope na may natutunan kayo kahit papano ay alam nyo mag-solve ng mga problems that involve making or representing using a Venn diagram. And thank you again. Stay safe. But before tayo magtapos, okay, so ibibigay ko sa inyo itong isang problem as your assignment. Okay. So a group of grade 7 students were surveyed on what sports they like. It was found out that 27 like basketball, 25 like volleyball, 22 like soccer. 10 like basketball and volleyball, 11 like volleyball and soccer, 14 like basketball and soccer, and 6 like the 3 sports. Here are the questions. A. How many like basketball only? B. How many like volleyball only? C. How many like soccer only? D. How many like basketball and volleyball but not soccer? E. How many like basketball or volleyball but not soccer? F. How many like volleyball and soccer but not basketball? G. How many like volleyball or soccer but not basketball? H. How many students were surveyed? So I hope na magawa nyo to, and I know kaya nyo naman, diba? Just review the strategy na ginawa natin. Okay? So with that, I'd like to say thank you and have a terrific day ahead. God bless everyone. Bye-bye!